Is mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Calvic Bison and this is my devotion for today, February 24, and ang topic po natin for today is ano ang isang dahilan? Dahilan bakit dapat tayo magtiwala sa Diyos or cosmological argument. So, ano daw po ba ito? So, ano po ba yung concept natin ngayon ng cosmological argument? So, yung cosmological argument daw po is an argument for the existence of God based on observation that since every known thing in the universe has a cause, the universe itself must also have a cause, which can only be God. So, ibig sabihin, ang sinasabi po dito ay almost lahat po ng bagay sa universe is may dahilan kung bakit nagawa or may pinagmulan, diba? So, yung argument po na yung cosmological argument po argues that yung universe rin po, hindi lang po yung lahat ng bagay sa universe, kundi yung universe mismo itself must also have a cause. No, wala naman po natin na ako po di rin po ako naniniwala dun sa sinasabi ng iba na the universe came out of nothing, diba? Imposible naman yun, wala. And of course, as we have seen, diba, lahat ng bagay is may cause, kaya po siya nagagawa or kaya po nangyayari yung bagay kasi nga may dahilan or may gumawa. So, ayun po. So, ang ating scripture po for today is Nehemiah chapter 9 verse 6. Basahin ko po. You alone, the Lord, you made the heavens, even the highest heavens, and all their starry hosts. Hindi ko po alam yung pronunciation, sorry. The earth and all that is on it, the seas and all that is in them. You give life to everything, and the multitudes of heaven worship you. So, kaya pakita po dito na kung paano ginawa ng ating Panginoon. Hindi man yung paano ginawa, yung pag-praise sa ating Panginoon. Kasi diba, you are alone, the Lord. You made the heavens and even the highest heavens. So, dagdag ko na din sa argument nito. Cosmological account is yung life after death, diba? Walang nakakalam sa atin kung ano yung buhay sa after ng kamatayan or bakit may kamatayan in the first place, diba? Ayun yung hindi natin may explain. So, diba, that is why I also believe in God, kasi meron pong kamatayan sa ating buhay and no one can prove hanggang ngayon kung ano yung life, kung saan napupunta yung kaluluwa after mamatay. So, teaching is God exists outside of time, space, and matter. Of course, ginawa niya po tayo even before the universe started. So, God is the source of all existence kasi siya po yung gumawa sa ating lahat. God is an all-powerful and eternal God. Diba? Kasi lahat po kaya gawin ng ating Panginoon, ginawa nga po niya tayo. Bawat more pa po kaya kung yung mga kaya niyang gawin. So, application is wait for God's perfect timing. Of course, kung tayo man minsan ay nababahala or kakaroon ng doubt sa ating Panginoon, we must always trust our God na mayroon siyang perfect timing, na hindi lahat ng alam natin nakabuti sa atin ay tama. Hindi natin alam lahat ng bagay kung makakabuti ba ito or makakasama. That is why we always must trust our God. Present your request to God. Of course, we believers are closer to God than other people, so that is why our God is more generous to us than other people, kasi of course tayo po naniniwala sa Kanya, so bubuksan niya po tayo ng pinto, so mas kilala niya po tayo. So trust God with all your heart. Of course, lagi po tayo maniniwala sa ating Panginoon na siya lang po yung makapagligtas sa atin, and sana po ay maraming natutunan sa devotion po natin ngayon, February 24. Ayun lang po, and see you all bukas. Ayun lang po, and God bless.